Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to log into the YouTube Studio app on your phone. Whether you are new to YouTube or just setting up your creator tools, this is for you. So let's get started. First, download the YouTube Studio app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on your device. Once installed, tap on the app to open it. Okay, so right away you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. This should be the same account that's linked to your YouTube channel. I will just tap on this one and tap on Get Started. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to your YouTube Studio dashboard where you can see analytics, manage your videos, and track your performance. If you manage multiple channels, you can switch between them by tapping your profile icon and selecting the desired channel by tapping on Switch Account. And yes, that's it. You are now logged into the YouTube Studio app and ready to manage your channel like a pro. If this video helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.